yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get your popcorn ready. I said get your popcorn ready because the legendary Camaro game is back in the building. Camaro boys have been missing in action for quite some time, but today they said we make our return and we put our foots on everybody else. Next, can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Camaro boys down, or will the Camaro boys make a triumphant return to make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get into the malarkey. Cruising. Arkansas, you know what it is. Arkansas, baby. Why is he pulling over? I know that semi was like, dang, he about to pull me over for a D.O. Camaro. Yabba dabba doo. That's crazy how he just pulled over and then jumped right behind the Camaro. Was that Camaro filing? Was he Mo filing, aka Camaro filing the Camaro? Profiling the Camaro? Because I don't think the Camaro did anything wrong. We ain't got no sound yet. He just behind him. Messing with him. He's sweating bubbles in there. Booty clenched tight. He ain't did nothing. He don't look like he's speeding or nothing. Oh, he got a crazy exhaust though. Oh, that ain't his exhaust. That's just the wind. Oh, he's out of there. Body on earth, foot in hell. Catch me skinny dipping in lava, baby. Camaro boys don't play no games. Foot all the way down. Foot is sizzling right now. You not gonna catch him like that? Why did you just hit the side like he did? Oh yeah, you playing games. You don't want to catch him. You're not catching him like that. Semi, get your big ass over. Man, I don't even see him no more. I don't even see him no more, y'all. I know you lying. He pressed that button. He way up there. I can see him up there. He way up there. You know where he going? To another dimension. Earth 65. Earth 65 is full of Camaros. He might catch him though. That looked like at least the SS. Observe the suspect take the exit but lose the sight.
Alright, made a left on 34, south of 34.
I didn't see him take this exit. I didn't see him take the exit, y'all.
Well behind the bottles, know where he went to. Turn left.
He moving like that girl that you keep messing with. She toxic, but you keep moving back in with her. You can't stop moving in with her toxic ass because she got that fire. Ooh, and you know what I mean when I say she got that fire and that snapper. Pursuit is terminated. He already terminating the pursuit? It's already over? The Camaro boys are back, baby. He wasted no time. Meet me in the comments. Camaro boy said, look here, we one of the greatest of all time. We don't play no games, and we don't care about no 5-0. We'll go right in front of them like this. We don't care. Look, he pulled right up in front of him like, what? What? I'm super sporty. Yeah, man, Camaro boys don't play no games. They back, y'all. They back with their foot on that. Moparians, they got their foot on our necks. If you in a challenger, they showing you that they do not respect you. Look at this, boy. Is that a super sport, y'all? He got that wang on there. He got that wang on there. You know, if you see that wang on there, he about to do some wangy things. That means he about to fly like an eagle to the sea. He about to get busy. Those lights that he got on, those are my favorite Camaro lights. Those tail lights. When I had my ZL11 LE, it had the circle lights. I like the circle lights, but I like these lights better. This bad boy was nice, though. Super nice. It had to be at least the SS. What y'all think? At least the SS? Look at him. Out of there. Foot all the way down. I'm out of here, clown. He looked at the officer like, come on, man. See, the officer should have did the same thing he did right there. Hit the shoulder and let's see who is the best. Mano y mano. Good guy versus bad guy. The cop, he cowered out. He tapped out. He was scary. Scary. I'm whipping on past him because a semi cannot move out of your way fast enough. They can't do it. There's no way possible. He has to make sure he's clear of the other semi. On top of that, he can't just jump in the lane because he could hurt somebody else. So it's no way that those semis could have got out of his way in time for him to keep up with that Camaro. By then, it's over with. The Camaro way up there now. You'll never catch him. It was over. It was over. When he didn't make the same move as that Camaro, that's when he messed up. That's when he dropped the ball. Fumbleitis, bubble butter fingers. You got them ice fingers. You can't hold on to the bag. Like your friend, you give him some money, you give him a little bit of that work and say, go out there and get it. And he come back to you the next week, done blew through all the money and the work, asking for some more. We can't give you no more handouts, baby. That's what this cop did. He fumbled the bag. You know what? Just come on back to the station. Make sure, though, when you get back to the station, come straight to my office. Put your badge and your gun on the table and take the desk next to me so I can explain to you why you will not see action for another 2.5 years. You set us back 2.5 years so you can't see no action for the next 2.5 years. You on desk duty, baby. You get the donuts and the coffee every morning. And they better be piping hot and the coffee better be steaming hot. Yeah, man. He never stood a chance. I don't even think he really wanted to chase him, to be all the way honest with y'all. He had that lackluster, you know, like he really wanted to chase him. He knew he couldn't keep up with him. He ain't want to do the paperwork. So you ain't want to do the paperwork? Don't worry about it. You'll be doing paperwork for the next 2.5 years. Since you didn't want to take the time and chase him and do the paperwork, we got enough paperwork for you for 2.5 years. Sit on down and enjoy the next 2 years, Zachary. Zachary Smither. Zachary. Hope you enjoy desk duty. But yeah, shout out to the Mero boys. Y'all did it again, man. Y'all showed us why y'all one of the greatest of all time. Up there with the 300s, the Durangoans, the Beamer boys, and the Veta boys. And we can't forget about the Mozzie boys. But with that being said, I got to slide on up out of here. But with that, I got to give you some positivity. I know it's hard out there. I'm going to say it again because I don't think you heard me. I know it's hard out there for y'all. Hell, it's hard for me. The world ain't what it used to be, man. Everything's a little bit more expensive. People a little bit more meaner. You know, it seems like don't nobody care about nobody no more. The kids a little bit more disrespectful. Give them some whoopings. But yeah, it's hard out there. And I know you feel like you on your own. Hell, you might be on your own. But you still got me. What does that mean? It means I'm rooting for you. If ain't nobody in the damn world rooting for you, your boy, the wolf, the king werewolf, Tlites is rooting for you. I want to see you shine, baby. I want to see you do big things, baby. Don't give up on your life because you got a little bit of hard times. Hell, I had plenty of hard times in my 42 years of life. You think I didn't? You know how hard it is to get to 42 and get the gray hairs that I've earned? I earned these gray hairs. When people are like, why don't you dye your hair, T-Light? I earned this gray. I put in the work. Hell, I was hell when I was well, and I'm still well. I never give up on myself. You better damn sure never give up on yourself. In order to be up on this pack, you can't quit. You got to keep going. Even when the shit seems like it's going to be endless. Keep going. Somebody depending on you if it ain't nobody but your goddamn self. Keep going. Ain't no quit. Ain't no giving up on life. We don't do that around here. We take a deep breath. We look in the mirror and say, what can I do to make myself situation better? What can I do? Because it's something you can do. Don't quit. I know you're like, damn, T-Light, you be giving us all this inspiration. Why? Because ain't nobody give me the inspiration. I had to dig deep in my soul to do it. Wasn't nobody uplifting me. Wasn't nobody holding my goddamn hand. And hell, I could have used it. So I'm going to help you out. And it uplift you every day. If you don't give a damn about the police chases, you just want to hear the motivation. Come on, I got it for you, baby. I'm here for you, baby. I ain't got to do this. You know my retention rate would be through the roof if I just did the reaction part? Nah. I would be doing an injustice to my werewolf pack. I do it for y'all, because y'all the ones that want to look at this part. I want to see y'all do great things. I want you to get in my comments and be like, Tlites, I just got my dream car, and I got it for a good deal. I want to see that. I want to see, Tlites, I just got my dream house. I got it for a good deal. I just got a raise at my job. That's the shit I want to hear. I want to hear stuff like that. That's why I do it. We ain't just here to watch police chases, lot reviews, car shit. We ain't here for that. We here for support. I'm gonna start me a Patreon. And I'm gonna join, get me a members group, and we gonna really go have some conversations. We gonna take it to the next level. This Tlites world, we more than just cars. But with that being said, man, I got to slide on up out of here. I just want y'all to know I love you. I love you. Don't know you, but I love you. And that's possible. I could not know you, but still love you, still root for you, and never saw you in person. It can be done, because I'm doing it right now. But with that being said, I got to slide on up out of here. Check this out. We do not condone running from the police. Absolutely not. But you know what we do condone? Watching you do it. We like watching you make a fool of yourself. We watch you go full-blown diabolicking. So when you become that full-blown diabolicking, because I can't help you, and I ain't going to try to help you because you a diabolicking. You might stab me in the back, goddammit. You got to do it yourself. You got to stop being a diabolic. But if you is a diabolicking, you see this Camaro right here? Do you see this Camaro, you stanky, belly, bad breath, funky butt, diabolicking? Bolicking. I said billicking. You see that Camaro right there? If you do decide to run, can you please run in one of these?